Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to spice up the look of your iPhone with a new front style? I will show you how to customize your front using the built-in setting and apps. Let's get started. The first step is to check your system front setting. iPhone uses a system-wide front called San Francisco. You can change text size and boldness by going to the settings app and going to display and brightness. Here you see the text size and the bold text option. You can change the text size according to your preference. You can also head over to the settings app, then you go to accessibility and navigate your way to display and text. Here you will see a list of options from bold text to large text to button shape to on and on label to reduce transparency and so on. Another option is to use a third-party app. Download app like Front Maker or iFront from App Store to add custom front for supported apps like Instagram, Pages or Keynote. Once downloaded, install the front by following the app prompt. Then go to settings, then general, then front to manage them. You can open apps like Notes or Pages to try it out. Tap the text formatting option to select your custom front. Now you've got a whole new look for your iPhone test. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.